Hi, welcome to the Curveball instructional series presented by MaximumMass.com, your online home for maximizing your mass. Okay, to start with, we want to, of course, get some cool tunes going, so we'll get that started. Crank that up just a teeny bit. Your instructor today will be Josh Bond, high score. Okay, let's get started. Let me center this up on the screen a little bit. How's that? Is that working for everybody? Fantastic. Okay, level 1. I like to try to get through the first couple of levels as fast as possible because I just don't have the patience for wasting my time on it. Some people like to milk the first couple levels, try to get all the points they can out of it, but those people don't have the high score, so you know, something to think about. First couple levels are kind of boring. I just really like to get done with them. Not a whole lot of strategy here. I usually serve from the bottom corner like this, just because it gives me a good opportunity to throw a pretty good curve on it. Look at that. Right. What's this? Oh, look at that curve. Curve-tastic. Okay, level 5. Same thing. Just trying to get through these. Till you get to level 7, you're pretty much just, they're boring and slow. Okay, level 6, same shit, different level. Yes, what I just did was possible. Some people think it's not, but you can get one past level 6. You just gotta throw a mean curve on it. I had a debate with Big Bronco G / Johnny Ringo about that one day. Okay, level 7.
Pocket my hoe. I'm cock my shit. I'm Harvard. But I'm still left.
Okay, level 7 I like to do a, forget that last ball there, but level 7 I like to do a side serve. Instead of the normal angle, I like to do side to side. Level 7 and 8 I like to do that because the reason is when you do an angle, it goes either off of this top wall or this side wall here, and then it's going to come back and you don't know which one you're going to hit, so it could come back either way, which just adds to the amount of possibilities of you dying because you don't know where the ball's coming from. So if you go from the side, if you can do it, it's kind of hard, but son of a bitch. If you can just keep it side to side, though, it does minimize the amount of angles that you're dealing with. So on level 7 and 8, I try to just keep side to side as much as I can. Level 8, same thing. And the trick to level 8 is just to kind of set them up. You gotta throw you gotta get him thinking it's gonna come one way and then throw a vicious curve on it. Kinda like that, but not really. Let me try again. Oh yeah, it's Bob Seger. With level 8, it's got to be you have to be on one side or the other. You can't play in the middle of the right there. See, you got to try to get the ball over here and then spin it hard so it goes over to the other side. You never expects it. Okay, here's level 9. Level 9, I've never passed. I have seen someone else pass it on a YouTube video, so it is possible. But since it's pretty much impossible, best thing to do is just try to rack up some points. If you can hit it in the little red dot in the center of your paddle, you get more points. So aim for that. And the other thing to aim for is to not get the ball moving too fast. So if you can just keep it going straight across and not bounce too much, not throw too many curves on it, you can keep it going for a while and rack up quite a few points here actually. See, level 9 is really not that hard if you're just trying to keep it stable. But if you're trying to pass level 9, then you're going to have to throw a wicked curve on it. Which I don't know if I'm going to be able to do. I've done it before. Most I've ever got past level 9 is 2 balls past it. Son of a bitch. But it wasn't easy. You almost have to just get it going back and forth so fast that you can't even see it, and then hope you just get lucky in order to get one past level 9. That's where Bob Seger comes in. Fuck you, level 9. Haha, bitch! This is gonna be a new high score. Damn it. Oh man, that would be gold to pass level 9 on video. Nope, not gonna happen today. Okay, new high score. Check it. Level 9. Even got a ball past level 9. Rep me.